Hi, this is a quick tutorial on text wrapping in Google Sheets. When we type in Google Sheets, sometimes we might run out of room and our text disappears. The reason being is that the default setting in text wrapping is overflow. Let me show you where that is. So if I click here, it says text wrapping, and I click the arrow, you can see that the original setting is overflow, but I can change that. If I go one setting over, the middle setting, it's called wrap. If I click that, now my text appears below. The missing text appears below. Let's look at another one. Right here we can see that the text disappears because the text was longer than the column. So I'm going to click on the cell. I'm going to go to text wrapping, click on the arrow, and I am going to click the wrap setting. And there you go. Now you can see my full text. The cell got bigger to accommodate for the rest of the text. Alright, I hope this tutorial helps. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.